Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In this tutorial, I will guide you how to fix bad system config info error in your Windows PC. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all that you need to perform is to click on the shift button and the power button of your Windows PC so that your PC started automatically. Once your PC is restarted, you are welcome with this screen. Click on the troubleshoot button and click on the reset this PC button to reset your PC to a new one. Click on remove everything if you do not have any important data in your PC. If you have any important data, click on keep my files and proceed with the resolution. This one is the first step that you need to perform in order to fix this issue. If this doesn't resolve your problem, we are going to proceed with second step. In second step, click on the troubleshoot button and click on the advanced option button. In advanced option button, click on the system restore button. Here I do not have any system restore point, that's why it is showing that you do not have any restore. If you have any restore point, kindly restore your computer to a previous version to resolve this issue. This one is the second step. If still this doesn't solve you out, we are going to proceed with third step. In third step, again click on the troubleshoot button, again click on advanced option. In advanced option, you need to click on uninstall updates. Make sure you uninstall both latest quality updates as well as latest feature updates, as this one is the major reason due to a bug you are getting an error bad system config info. So make sure you uninstall the latest updates of your Windows PC and after that restart it and check if the problem is resolved or not. If somehow the still problem is not resolved, we are going to proceed with fourth step. In fourth step, again click on the advanced options and in advanced option you need to click on command prompt. In fourth option, we are going to fix your boot order. So you need to type here a few commands. The very first command is bootrec / repair BCD and hit the enter button. The second command that you need to enter is bootrec / repair MBR. Again hit the enter button. The third command is bootrec / OS scan. And lastly, the fourth command is bootrec / fix boot. If it is showing access is denied, you need to perform another command bootsectl / nt60 sys and again hit the enter button. Now use the command again bootrec / fix boot and again hit the enter button. Sorry, the command I have entered is wrong. It's bootrec / fix boot. The operation is completed successfully. Now hit the exit button and click on turn off your PC and again restart it and check for the resolution of the problem. If still somehow the problem persists, last step is to make sure you check your hard drive as well as your RAM. The problem is occurred due to these four reasons, else there is a malfunction in your hard drive as well as in your RAM. So kindly remove the RAM from your PC and again insert it properly and check again for the resolution. So these are the 5 ways. By using these 5 ways, your problem of bad system config info error must be resolved. So that's it about it friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.